What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of USD CHF. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, USD CHF on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can find trading opportunity in USD CHF. Looking at first of all monthly time frame. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that USD CHF is long-term bearish market with this long bearish engulfer. What we have seen that USD CHF has created this giant bearish engulfer that has grabbed liquidity from this top and then created this giant bearish engulfer followed by a narrow candle. Now this is a continuation pattern on the monthly perspective. As a result, this month what we have seen that the price has gone up, tested this very important previous support zone, turning resistance, and from that level what we can expect USD CHF to continue to drop. As this is a long-term bearish market, highly likely that the price will drop. Now looking at weekly time frame, we see that USDCHF from the weekly perspective also showing a long bearish engulfer with this green doji. What we have seen that the price has broken quite a few weeks high and grabbed a good amount of liquidity, and then what we have seen the previous week created a long doji. Now this doji is a strong bearish candle. This week, after little retracement, what we see that the price now dropping again, as this is a long-term bearish market. If you closely look at, you'll see that with this impulse and little correction sign that the bears are strongly active in that market. Now every week we see series of lower high with multiple liquidity grab, giving a potential opportunity for further drop. So from the weekly perspective, we see that USD CHF is highly bearish. Now, if we look at the daily time frame, we see that the price action also from the daily perspective is a strongly bearish. What we have seen that there is a strong bearish engulfer with a liquidity grab followed by a narrow doji and back-to-back two dojis on the daily time frame with a series of lower high in this area. And if you closely look at the market structure is highly bearish. If we turn on our TF strategy, we see that back-to-back two sell signal along this zone, giving us a strong probability for USD CHF to continue to drop. Now, if we look at the lower time frame for potential entry opportunity on USD CHF, we see the previous session has formed a long bearish engulfer. Also, it has a strong liquidity grab in this area. Now, what we see that in this zone, multiple times long wick candle has been created, giving us a strong liquidity grab from the top, and we could potentially see that USD CHF is dropping in this direction, creating series of lower high and lower low. So then how we can find trading opportunity, as this is a long-term bearish market. As you can see, the price is creating a narrow doji. On closing of this candle as a doji, we can find a suitable entry opportunity along this zone. According to the rules of our strategies, we'll consider going short on USD CHF with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading USD CHF. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.